Hi everyone, Kush Spontaneous here. I recently discovered Good Nom Fresh Gata at their exciting event at Market Market. It was full of games, free tasting, live demo with MasterChef winner Chef J.R. Royal. What really caught my attention, the promise of gata that meets all the 5 syrup signs of freshness: maputi, malambot, mabango, makrema, manamis-namis. I love here my mukbang, so yummy talaga. And yes, Good Nom delivered on every single one. This is my cooking of ganataang kalabasa with sitaw just got even better with Good Nom Fresh Gata. As I opened the pack, the aroma was instantly inviting. So bango! It poured out thick and creamy just like freshly squeezed gata. Perfect for my ginataang kalabasa with sitaw, one of my favorite comfort dish. The taste? Let us check later. But as you can see, the consistency of my food